The wire hider is one of the most underrated items when it comes to installing off-road lights. Before we created it, there was just really no good solutions for it. People would either recommend that you drill a hole into your roof and pass wires through that, or you'd run silicone up between the windshield and the A-pillar, but neither one either looked good nor was it practical. So we figured there had to be a better way, and we created the wire hider. The premise was simple, right? It's a rubber strip that has a channel right in the middle that your wires go into, and the whole thing is cut to length and you stick it right to the windshield. However, there are some inherent problems with the original version of the wire hider and pretty much with every copy that's out there. Unless you're in absolutely perfect conditions, the tape just didn't want to stick to the rubber. So to address that issue with the original wire hider, we set out to make a brand new version and make it the best one yet by completely revising that entire system. The latest version of the wire hider is now a two-part system. Part one is the tried and true rubber extrusion, while part two are brand new plastic clips. The plastic clips mechanically lock into the rubber extrusion itself, while the 3M tape on the back is what holds the hard plastic to your windshield. Not only is it a much more secure fit now, but the wire channel inside is also 1.6 times larger, so it fits up to a 1/2 inch cable. And lastly, one of the trick little features of the clips themselves is that they also act as a zip tie base with a little slot so you can zip tie your wires for anywhere not on your windshield. And there you have it, the new and improved wire hider. It's available right now, and if you have any questions about it, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. Thanks for tuning in.